baby parrot.
Hi everyone!
Hello.
We're here at our friendly local farm to learn about sounds of farm animals. Look at this barn.
Awesome.
Isn't it nice? Can you help me find the animal that makes this sound?
Yes.
Great! Can the animal that made that sound please do it again? Looks like it was the pig.
Hey.
Hi, pig.
Hi, pig.
Can the animal that made that sound please do it again? Looks like it was the cow.
Cow.
Hi, cow.
Hi, cow.
Do you want to come out of the barn? How about that?
Horse.
Yes! It was the horse! Do you know which one that is?
Sheep.
You are right! It was the sheep! Hi, sheep!
Hi, sheep.
Which one was that?
Rooster.
Yep! It was the rooster! How about that one?
Goat.
Right again! It was the goat! Do you know what sound that is? It doesn't sound like an animal, but I think it's coming from here. Do you want me to open it?
Yes, please.
Let's find out.
Wow.
What? We got a surprise egg from the barn.
Yes.
Yeah, that definitely was the sound. I'm getting excited. What do you think it will be? Wow! Looks like we got ourselves more animals. But this one is a wild animal. What do you think we got? A wolf? A polar bear? Let's find out. It's an Arctic fox. Such a nice white fur. What do you think the fox say? Let's say goodbye to our farm animal friends. Goodbye!